Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Killman. So today we are going to discuss on the chapter trigonometrical ratios of standard angles, and we are going to deal with the problems based on standard angles. So in the next video we will be doing on the same topic and a bit difficult and different problems. After that video we will be going on to the new chapter. Okay, before going into the video, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share it to your friends. So the first question is on your screen. Just have a look on the problem as well as the diagram. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree here, and we have to find the values of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C, and cos A into cos C plus minus sin A into sin C. Fine. Okay. We know angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree because the whole will be 180 degree. If you just remove this 90 degree, this total sum will be 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now A plus C is equal to 90. Okay. Now sin A into cos C from the figure is nothing but sin A BC by AC, cos C BC by AC. So here we can prove that sin A is equal to cos C. Okay. Now sin A is equal to cos C. So this is sin A into sin A also we can write, or otherwise this one only we can write. The next one is cos A into sin C. Cos A into sin C. Okay. From the figure, cos A is nothing but AB by BC, and sin C is nothing but AB by AC. So both are AB by AC into AB by AC. So here also we can prove that cos A is equal to sin C. Okay. Now here this is cos C, this is nothing but sin square A. Okay. And this is, we can also write this one as, I am writing it as cos A into sin C is nothing but cos A only, right? So cos A, I am writing it again. So finally we are getting sin square A plus cos square A, and we have identity that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this answer is equal to 1. Okay. I hope you are clear with it. Now let us go on to the next bit, that is cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So cos A into cos C, let us find what it is. Cos A is nothing but AB by AC into cos C is nothing but BC by AC. AB by AC into BC by AC. BC by AC. Okay. Now the previous one is sin A into sin, the next one is sin A into sin C. Okay. Sin A into sin C. Now sin A is nothing but BC by AC, sin C is nothing but AB by AC. BC by AC into AB by AC. BC by AC into AB by AC. Okay. Sin A BC by AC into sin C AB by AC. Now here AB by AC into BC by AC. So here also BC by AC into AB by AC. So we can say that cos A. So I am writing in the next one, cos A into cos C is equal to sin A into sin C. Okay. So when both are equal, let us take this one as x. So this one also will be x. Our question is x minus x, which is equal to a 0. So that is the trick here. So let us go on to the next question. The question is on your screen. Just have a look at it. So in this particular given question, root 3 tan A tan 2 theta is equal to 3, and theta is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 90. So it can be 90 also, but not 0. So that is the condition put by the question here. And once getting theta, we have to find this value. Okay. Now let us find root 3 tan theta. Let us take this expression first. Root 3 tan theta is equal to tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to 3. So now tan 2 theta is equal to 3 by root 3. Okay. Multiply root 3 on both sides. You are getting 3 root 3 by 3, which is equal to root 3. So I have rationalized it. This is called rationalizing, multiplying and dividing. It is nothing but multiplying with 1, and 1 only we are multiplying and dividing with root 3. So we are getting 3 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. So 3 root 3 by 3, which is equal to 3 and 3 cancels, we are getting root 3. But tan 2 theta is equal to root 3 is nothing but tan 60. That we all know. It is there in the table, and as I have said, we have to by heart that table compulsorily. And now 2 theta is equal to 60 degree, putting aside tan, as they both are equal. So angles also will be equal. 2 1s are 2 30s are. So your final answer is equal to theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Yeah. Now the question is 3 root 3 cos theta plus 2 sin theta minus 6 tan square theta Okay. First, let us substitute the value of theta in each one, wherever theta is present. Okay. 3 root 3 cos 30 plus 2 sin 30 minus 6 tan square 30. Okay. 3 root 3 into cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, and 2 sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 6 into tan square 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and this will be 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 by root 3 whole square is nothing but 1 by root 3 square, because 1 square is anyway 1. So here root and square gets cancelled. So 3 root 3 into 2. So root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. So 3 into 3 9, it is 9 by 2. 9 by 2 plus 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 1, and 3 ones are 3 twos are minus 2. Always do the multiplication first, and if there division, you have to do the division first. Just follow the BODMAS rule so that our answers will be simple and correct. So the LCM will be 2. Here 9 will be there, and here 2 ones are 2 minus here 2 twos are 4. Okay, so 9 plus 2, 11 minus 4 is nothing but 7 by 2, which is equal to 3 1 by 2 or 3.5. Okay, this will be your final answer. Let us go on to the next question, the last question. The question is here, just have a look at it. This is also an important question. Tan square theta plus 3 is equal to 3 secant theta. So we know that secant square theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. I have already said the identities that you have to remember, that sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, secant square minus tan square theta, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. These three identities are very important. So now tan square, just keep it like that, and secant square just you transpose onto RHS, minus tan square theta is equal to 1 minus secant square theta. So you multiply minus on both sides, you are getting minus minus plus, and tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. So finally tan square theta, you got secant square theta minus 1 from this identity. So tan square theta I am writing as secant square theta minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 secant theta. Okay, now minus 1 plus 3, 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. So secant square theta plus 2 minus 3 secant theta is equal to 0. Just I am bringing 3 secant theta onto LHS. So now equate. Okay, before going into the equation of each expression with 0, now just rationalize, not rationalize, just factorize. Okay, now place the constant, that is 2, onto the rightmost side. So secant square theta so this is secant square theta minus 3 secant theta plus 2, minus 3 secant theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Now just factorize if we can. So 2 secant square theta we can do as minus 2 secant theta minus secant theta. So it will be secant square theta minus 2 secant theta minus secant theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, I have just splitted the minus 3 secant theta into two different parts, that is minus 2 secant theta minus secant theta. So when you combine this, minus 2 minus 1 is nothing but minus 3, and secant theta you should get this same value. Like that you have to split up. And now just take common what is there here. Here secant theta we can find we can take common. secant theta, we are taking common and we will get 1 minus 2. Sorry, square is there, so secant theta minus 1. And here also we can take common. We can take nothing common, so we'll take as 1 minus 1. On taking common, we'll get secant theta plus 2. Okay, here plus 2 minus 2 we have to get, because we are taking minus common. So on multiplying we should get the same, minus into minus plus we should get, minus into plus minus we should get. That is the reason. Now secant theta minus 1. Now here also we are having secant theta minus 1, and here we are having secant theta minus 2. Okay, this will be 2. And now from the both expressions, secant theta minus 2, you just take common. Here also you take secant theta common. Now write the remaining one, secant theta minus 1. Okay, this one and this one are remaining when you take this one and this one common. Okay, now equate each expression with 0. So secant theta minus 2 is equal to 0. So secant theta is equal to 2, and secant theta is equal to secant 30. Sorry, secant 60. Just the reverse of cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2, and on reversing 1 by 2, that is nothing but 2 will go to numerator, 1 will come to denominator. So this is 1 by reversing secant 60. So theta is equal to 60 degree, and next one, secant theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So secant theta minus 1 is equal to 0. We will transpose the 1 minus 1 onto RHS. We are getting secant theta is equal to 1, and secant theta is equal to 1 is nothing but secant 0. So secant 0 degree, and theta is equal to 0 degree. Okay, so now theta is equal to 0 degree and theta is equal to 60 degree we have got as per the given question, but we have to judge one. We have to judge one. So they have given in the question theta will be less than or less than 0 degree. So theta is less than, 0 is less than, theta is less than 90 degrees given. So I have forgotten to keep. So 0 degree we will just omit, and we will keep only the 60 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 degrees your answer. So thank you all for watching my video, friends. So sorry for the call disturbance in middle. So kindly ignore that one, and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, friends. Thank you.